This is Syndicate Trading Hub, and this is Syndicate Trader. And today we are looking at XAUSD gold. And gold did something marvelous and sold very hard on Friday. All right. If you were in my free Telegram channel, you would have caught this sell, and we made a lot of money there. All right. So gold sold very hard on Friday, but got a rejection, okay, at the bottom of the pivot range. As you can see, you see the black lines, okay, that's the pivot range, all right, and gold caught it, all right. There was a strong rejection over here, all right. That was also the weekly support that was supposed to happen. Okay, so that's a resistance 10 support. All right, good rallied through that support level and came back and retested that resistance level, which is acting like a support. All right, so gold is looking that there's a new a key level that has been formed on gold, and that was where price rejected very accurately at the 0% level. Okay, price got there and rejected, and immediately I knew that the next one was going to sell. All right, the next day was going to sell, and we had beautiful trades there. All right, so what is gold trying to do? So now gold has developed a range. All right, so gold is an established range. All right, so gold is going to range between the highs of this range, okay, and the lows of this range. That is what the market is going to do. So if Monday, the market is likely to push up. So if it pushes up, okay, we are going to test the highs of this. And if we are able to break it, we may test the 50% of this range, all right, which is around 3,000, sorry, which is around 4,000, let me get, which is around 4,374.298. Okay. So we are getting gold around the higher highs, around 3,881. All right. So there can, if there's a test, gold may likely come back into the range. All right. Gold may likely come back into the range because the gold will be ranging for a while because of this key um established range. So this is the analysis until proven otherwise, because the market is the market and anything can happen. Okay, so it can break it and form a new high. But from what I'm seeing, this is an established range that has formed, and gold may be testing the lows. So if you want to swing, you can be waiting for the bottom and the top. Okay, so that when it gets there, you may bring it back into the middle. Okay, around this black line, which is around 4,100. All right. And if price comes down here, you may take it up to 4,100. So you can be playing like it like that until it breaks one of these levels. Okay. And gold will start rallying to 5,000. Okay. From 4,500 to 5,000. But it was supposed to end around 4,500, but we saw it ended at 4,300. So maybe it may finish that up and get to the 4,500s, and maybe starts ranging again. But this is an established range from this key range that happened on the 21st of October. All right. This key range that happened on the 21st of October. Okay, that was a key range, and gold has been able to, form an established range that we can now take our trades from. So that is it on um XAU USD. So we are looking for a rally up into this, okay? And if there's a bid on this 0% level, okay, we may see gold testing the highs, okay? And if Monday comes and gold, there's a fail at this low, okay, where gold reacted on Friday, there's a fail there, then there's a likelihood that gold is coming to test the bottom of this range, okay, around 4,006, okay. So you can be there waiting for price there. All right, so that is it on USD go USA USD. So please like this channel, subscribe to it, okay, and share it to your friends so that they can also get these price action levels and trade confidently in the market rate. This is Syndicate Trader, and peace out. See you next week.